They paid the debt, so why keep the data? Court says that's a GDPR violation. What happens when you keep accurate data on for too long? One German credit agency just found out, and it cost them in court. On April 10, 2025, the Higher Regional Court of Cologne ruled that retaining settled debt data, yes, even if it's true, violated GDPR. The result? A $500 penalty for reputational harm. Here's the deal. A credit agency held onto info about 3 small debts, totaling $750. All were paid off, the last in December 2022. By November 2023, the individual asked for erasure, but the agency only deleted the oldest record and kept the other 2, claiming legitimate interest under Article 6(1)(f) GDPR. They updated the records with a settled note, but still used them to calculate credit scores. Those scores were shared with banks, an energy company, and a telecom provider. The person took the case to court. The first ruling sided with the agency, saying they could keep the data for 3 years. But the appeals court saw it differently. It cited the CJEU Schufa ruling and said, once debts are paid, they must be erased if public law says so. Legitimate interest doesn't stretch beyond that. The court also shot down the agency's defense that their code of conduct, approved by the Hessian DPA, gave them cover. That code can't override a proper GDPR balancing test. In the end, the court found the agency violated GDPR by storing and disclosing the data, harming the individual's reputation. It awarded $500 in non-material damages. This ruling is crystal clear. If the law says data must go, it goes. Legitimate interest isn't a free pass to keep outdated, but technically accurate information. And codes of conduct? Helpful? Yes, but they're not bulletproof. If you're in credit, finance, or any data-heavy sector, audit your retention timelines now. Found this helpful? Like the video, subscribe, and share it with your team or fellow DPOs. There's more where this came from. Real-world GDPR rulings broken down fast. Thanks for watching. We help new DPOs stay sharp, avoid fines, and lead with confidence. See you in the next one.